Hi, you guys call the locksmith?
Yeah.
Hi, how can I help?
Well,
Lisa, what do you need him to do?
Mind if I come in?
oh yeah. Hi.
Hi.
All right. So we don't have the keys anymore, and we have the key for the top one. But look at, like, when we close the door, we have to lock that because this doesn't work anymore. If we had it like that, heavy wind comes, it just blows it right open.
Gotcha. Okay.
So.
Alrighty.
But I want a nice lock on here. Do you have one that's got a keypad?
I don't have one on hand. I can go get one. It just kind of depends on what you want. There are electronic locks that are okay, that are in the like $80 range, and then there are some that are really nice that are in the like $300 something range. So,
Yeah.
Do you have one in mind that you're looking at, or
No. I just want
Okay.
something easy where we don't have to have keys because there's a bunch of people coming and going. So
And is it just these two locks?
yeah,
Or are there
so it's just these two locks right here. But
are there other entrances we're wanting keyed to the same key?
oh,
The more and more that listening to it,
Like a back door, side door, or anything?
there is, but not right at the moment because I'm in the middle of doing a remodel. So
Okay.
those other two doors that would be the possibility are going to be gone anyways,
Gotcha.
very soon.
Okay. Alrighty.
I want to start with this one and just, it's mainly, if we just have a touch point where we can just,
Right. Alrighty. What I'll do is I'll run over to my distributor and see what they've got,
Okay.
and I'll reach out to you. And then we'd obviously just want to find something to match it for the bottom one. And then, do we have an idea as far as color what you want? Like, because the gold looks okay, but it's I don't know if you want silver
no, just
or
like a bronze, like a darker.
aged bronze.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty, sounds good.
Yeah.
I will.
Something probably like something that's going to work well. It's going to be good for the three of us that live
Yeah,
here, whatever. Easy to use, and I don't want the cheapest, whatever,
Right.
but I don't necessarily need the Cadillac version.
Right,
Something in between would be fine with me.
Okay, alrighty.
Yeah.
I'll
Is
find
that
you.
an Axon camera?
It's a GoPro. It's a Hero 13. I use it as kind of like a badge cam and making content for
Yeah.
YouTube page. So.
Oh, okay.
But yeah.
Cool.
So and I always ask, is it okay if we use some of this footage for?
That's really cool. Yeah. So that's what I want.
Okay, perfect.
I
will.
need it to be safe here too, because sometimes it gets a little crazy out here in Bloomington.
I mean, it's a pretty good area, but you're still open to the road, so
Yep.
you have people coming and going.
Yep.
So
Yep,
I
for
will.
sure.
I'll run out, go take a look, maybe send you some pictures, and we'll
Okay,
see what we
cool.
can find.
Thank you.
Okay.
Where's
Alrighty.
your distributor at?
Well, so I use Home Depot's or I use Floyd Lock and Key, and they're also in Bloomington.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
And then I use a lot of like online distributors. So.
All right, awesome.
Okay.
All right,
Alrighty.
thank you. But you'll get this done today, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you.
Alrighty. Thank you, ma'am. Oh.
At the light, turn right onto Lindale Avenue South. Stay in the left 2 lanes.
I need gas. This one. It is one card. What? This gas pump hates me. Hey, can I get 60 on 2? Thank you. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't want to take my card out there. So, yeah.
Are you taking videos of that?
Yeah. I'm a locksmith, so we make
man.
content. Yeah.
Oh, you gotta take video, huh?
Yeah.
So
It's like a mixed badge cam slash
So
content.
you can't say you fucked up their windows.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, and I have a lot of people that'll call and try to get me to like break into stuff that they don't have.
They don't
Yeah,
have. Okay.
exactly.
Hell no.
So,
What? They
yeah,
bogus
it's
as
pretty
hell.
whack. It's pretty whack, dude.
Police probably gonna think you breaking into their car.
Exactly. Well, and
Have you seen
I
before?
had one actually just a little bit ago where it was a commercial, and I had opened the door for a guy. He told me he had authorization. He didn't. He ended up charged for breaking and entering.
Wow, that's crazy.
But anyway,
Be safe out there.
thanks, man. Huh. Hi,
Hello.
back again.
All right.
So what we've got is, so this says hall and closet, but the reason why we did this is so that you're not gonna have a key on the bottom.
Yeah.
So that all you have to worry about is turning the handle.
Yep.
This top one is gonna have the key and this. So if
Nice.
the batteries die, you have the key here.
Okay.
I would just advise, make sure that you always keep a spare or always keep the battery on, or the battery charged, because once that battery goes, this quickset smart key keyway we can't pick. The reason for that, you guys can rekey these locks without having a locksmith come out. Super easy, as long as you have the existing key.
Okay.
You can change it to a different key whenever you need to, but it's a more complex system and we just can't pick them.
Okay.
So, but it's a very nice lock.
How do you set it?
So there's, I'll be honest, I worked with so many of these that all the instructions are different. We can get into that towards the
Okay.
end there.
Yeah.
And I'll just show you, this one has Wi-Fi capability as well.
It
so,
does?
Yep.
So I could unlock it on my way in the house.
And not only that, you can have multiple different user codes. So say you want to have one just for a contractor to come in at a certain time that you can turn on and off, it's going to have a lot of versatility. So
Cool. Thank you.
absolutely.
All right.
I'll get started here.
Okay.
And I'll let you know when I'm done, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Absolutely.
I'm just watching TV in the other room, so. Megan? Megan?
does come with one. Okay. Perfect. This is the fun part. Get in there. All right. That don't make sense. What?
Oh shoot, I'll be there in a minute. Yeah. Come on, love.
That's frustrating. Hey, Lisa.
Yeah,
Hi, can I borrow you for a sec?
sure.
So, the lock that I just bought for the top here is, they've got incorrect parts in here. So I'm gonna run back, get a new one. I'm very sorry about that, but I'll be back with a new one and we'll
Alright.
get that done. Okay?
Sounds good.
Alrighty. Take this guy off, actually. Hey. So I was here just maybe 20-25 minutes ago, bought this lock, and it's missing parts. And in place of the right part, it has a second set of keys that doesn't work. So very strange.
That is not easy though.
Yeah, so I am gonna exchange it out for this one, and before I go I want to check this one to make sure.
100%.
So I'm gonna do that over here. Well, try this again. Where'd my level go? There it is. Hey, Lisa.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Oh, the locksmith's here. He's going to show me how to use my new lock. Can I call you right back?
So you are all set. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
No? Okay.
That's it. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Alrighty. Thank you, ma'am. And alrighty. Alrighty. You take care now.